Good morning, students. I'm Gurmail Singh, going to present daily morning assembly slide. My dear students, today day is Wednesday and date is 29th July 2020. Let's start the slide with thought of the day. It is disciplined people are the happiest people. Boys and girls, these disciplined people are always well-mannered persons. They respect the time, they get up early in the morning and do all their activities in proper time. They always do all their work with happy ending. That's why they never go upset and always remain happy. Dear students, it was thought of the day. Let's go to the next part of the slide. It is knowledge and science. The first question we have: what is the name of Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji's wife? My dear students, Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji is the ninth Guru of Sikhs, and his wife's name is Mata Gujri Ji. Our next question is: which is the national tree of India? My dear students, as we know, Indian banyan is the national tree of India. It is the largest and the oldest tree of India, and its age may be many hundred years. Our third question is: when is National Mathematics Day celebrated? My dear students, National Mathematics Day is celebrated December 22nd in every year. It is celebrated on the birth anniversary of India's famed mathematicians Srinivasa Ramanujan. Our fourth question is: how is the number 310 written in Roman numeral system? My dear students, 310 is written as triple C X. Triple C means 300, X stands for 10. Okay. Our last question is: which sense organ helps us to hear? It is very easy question. Our ears are the sense organs which helps us to hear. Our ears are related to our listening ability. Dear boys and girls, it was the part of knowledge and science. Let's go to the next part. It is let's guess. What goes through cities and fields but never moves? I will repeat. What goes through cities and fields but never moves? Yes, you easily guessed, it is road. Every road goes through cities and fields but never moves. My dear students, our next part is words for practice. The first word we have nurse. Second word we have doctor. Third word we have teacher. Fourth one is pilot. Fifth and the last word we have driver. My dear students, all the 5 words are related to different professions. My dear students, it was the slide of Wednesday, July 29th. You please write down this slide on your copies and do practice at your home. Have a nice day.